lovely Ecuador. Field elevation approximately 10,300 feet, more or less. Weather, shitty, as you can probably tell. It's cold, got down to about 5-6 degrees centigrade. It's a terrible time. This is coming on our third night out here, and it's not very great. No, we're not crashed, we're just on a little bit of an angle.
Come on, sir. Make the big decision. What are we gonna do? What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be, boy? Yes or no?
So what's the deal, guys? You want to go?
Balls to the wall.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, you're sleeping. Some Gatorade?
Yeah.
Okay.
Some Gatorade.
You don't want another night out here?
No.
No.
Don't make no difference.
Because get white, age of 20 to 28.
Why are most serial killers
They're almost all of them. Really? There are no black.
Oh, this is the happy crew.
I don't know.
They have happy thoughts.
I'm waiting for like one of those. That's why I came over.
Yeah,
Well, there's black
Positive over here. Much time ago.
Aren't there any black serial killers?
I think it's a chromosomal thing.
Chromosome?
Yes, sir. No. Say hi, Sarge.
Hi, Sarge. Mr. Separator over there.
Well, that gives us 1
Buenos
hour.
dias.
So we need to start making stuff happen.
Yeah.
How's that game
Getting everyone up on film.
What?
He's talking 3 o'clock.
You cleaned it up.
Goose, what's the
We got a
prognosis?
lot of police stuff to do.
What's the prognosis?
Get manifest.
We good? We leaving?
Yeah, I'm gonna leave.
Okay.
Thanks, guys.
It's on tape, man, so. Bust it.
Cloudy. It'll be cloudy, guys.
Okay. Quit messing around.
It wasn't me.
Yeah, that's what they all
I
say.
didn't know how to push buttons.
Is there a separator over the
Oh,
other?
that's beautiful. You know what's on his mind after being out here for so long? That's pretty sick, man.
Man, you disgusting.
Tell it, man.
Punk ass.
Tell him how it is.
Oh, dude.
Disgusting, man. I don't even want to talk, man. You disgusting.
Woo!
Expect to be home.
Wishful thinking.
Hey, we introducing everybody. This Veggie Bash, fake talking, not wearing shirt. This Stink Jack, you know what I'm saying? The fake Tommy Hilfiger Wayne. This over here is our thermostat, the Brown Hornet.
Lean forward, Jack. Lean forward, Jack.
AKA
EPA
APU.
or APU?
AKA halitosis.
Okay.
We got Eagle
Lean forward,
50
oh,
over
here we
here. We got Eagle 50 with super kicks on. We got Perry Ellis Jr. over here. Jess was cold the whole time. Perry Ellis got chin my boy look great, look like droopy and shit. Shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm strange. I'm just crazy motherfucker. That's all.
When you done being
All right,
crazy?
thanks, man.
Alright, good afternoon.